Hey guys, this is the final video of this series. So let's start designing this calculator, right? So let's start the CSS part. So to start the CSS part, in the head, I'm just creating a style tag. Okay. And now what I will do is, earlier we have taken a div here, right? So I'll just first give the style to this div. So here it is an ID. Whenever it is an ID, what you need to do is you need to put hash and the name of that ID, which is main. If it was a class, you need to put a dot and the name of that class. So here, first I would give it a width of 300 pixels. And then I would give it a height of 280 pixels. See, this is up to you. Whatever the height or width you want to give, you can give it. I'm just giving it according to my taste. You can give it however you like. So I'm just giving it 280 pixels. So even though if I save it and reload it, you won't be able to see it here in action because I haven't applied any color yet. So I would give a background color here now, which is background dash color colon, and I would make it black color. And let's reload it. Okay, I'll just decrease the zoom to a bit. Now you can see that the calculator box has appeared. Means this is my div, which is of 300 pixels and height 280 pixels, and the background color is black. Now I would take input tag to style it. So I'll just put input as my element. And now the properties that I'm going to give are, first of all, I will give it a width. So I'll just give width. So here one more thing is that you can give width not only in pixels but also as percentages. So I would give it a 20% width. So I'll just give it 20% and let's see it in action. I'll just save it and reload it. Now you can see it has taken the 20% of it. And then I will give the height to 40 pixels of this input tag. So I'll just put height colon 40 pixels. Just I'll save it and reload it. Okay, don't worry about this, we'll fix this. Then I will just increase the font size to some 20 pixels because these are looking too small here. So I'll just put font dash size to 20 pixels. And I'll save it and reload it here. Okay, now they are looking good. And after that, I would put an ID here so that we can make changes which are a bit different from the other input tags. So I would make an ID and name it as some EEE. I know I am very bad at naming things, but you can name it whatever you like. I have just named it EEE. So okay, I would just call it here hash EEE, and I'll just open the braces. And now I want the width to be around 96%. So I'll just put width colon 96%, and I'll just save it once. Okay, and then I would put the height around 50 pixels. I would just like to give a background color of silver here. You can give whatever according to your taste. So I'll just put it background dash color silver. So I'll just reload it. Okay, it has changed, but still it's not looking that good, right? So we'll change it, nothing to worry. I would give a margin to all the input tags of 2%, which means margin dash left, right, top and bottom, everything. If I simply give margin, so margin colon, I'm just giving it 2 pixels, and let's save it and reload it. So as it is not matching, I would increase the margin to all the inputs to around, for example, 8 pixels, or else we'll make 6 pixels for instance, and let's save it. So okay, the 6 pixels margin is perfectly suitable here, and our calculator is finally ready. Now it's looking beautiful as well as it's functioning correctly. So if I hit minus again and again, it won't. If I hit plus, it gets changed to plus. If I hit 9 and then equal to, it's done. So I hope you have enjoyed learning this series. Thank you for taking this course.